Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Someone Who Understands. SLOs of this lesson are: identify pronunciation of a word with the help of pronunciation key, locate synonyms of the following words in children's thesaurus and use the words below in sentences of your own. Now look at the page number 21 in your textbook. Pronunciation key. There is a chart here with the list of phonetic symbols. This is the chart here. Sounds of vowels, diphthongs and consonants. British and American pronunciation have a slight difference. Both are listed first. British way of pronunciation given and then American pronunciation of the same word with the help of phonetic symbols. Phonetics is related to the sound of the words. The sound we make when we pronounce the word, when we speak the words. It is called phonetic. The phonetic symbols are here, these one. This is the American, this is the British one. These are all the phonetic symbols. Hope you are familiar with the consonant, vowel and diphthong sounds. We will discuss it first. Consonant sound. What are the consonant sound? I, J, H, R, W. All the other sound are consonants like lake, yacht, house. Look at the shapes: chocolate, throw, rabbit, wolf, singer, treasure, jacket, weather. The underlined words are consonant sound. As you can hear, the lake, yacht, house, ship, chocolate, through. Now look at the vowel sounds here. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds which make the vowel sounds here. As you can see, all the vowel sound are underlined in these words here. Pate, pat, pat, pot, butt, book, mother, bean, burn, barn, pawn, poon, bite, bat, boy, toe, house, poor, air, air. These are all the vowel sounds here. Consonant sound has its own phonetic symbols and the diphthongs, and the vowel sound has its own phonetic symbols. Let's discuss the diphthongs. What are the diphthongs? A diphthong is a complex vowel where the tongue begins in one place and moves to another. A two-part vowel sound. Here the vowel diphthongs are bite, bout, boy, like pie, sky, ride, cow, now, loud, soy, boy, foil. Here you can see we have two vowel sounds here. The sound of the two vowel sounds, two part of vowel sounds, these are called diphthongs. The symbol R indicates that British pronunciation will have R only if a vowel sound follows directly at the beginning of the next word. As in far away, otherwise the R is omitted. Omitted means silent. For American English, all the R sounds should be pronounced. X represents a fricative sound, as in IX for Scottish law, Irish law. Fricative sound means that sound that can be heard or cannot be heard. Like you have a very slightest idea of it. You will not sure that if you heard this word or not, the sound of the word, the pronunciation of a word. Here in British language, if the vowel sound followed directly at the beginning of the next word, as in, look at the word far away, we will pronounce R in far away. Otherwise, in most of the British words, the R is silent. But in American sounds, R should be pronounced. Let me give you some examples of silent R here. The sound of the letter R here. Fork. The R is silent here. Bird. Cart. Where. Father. In British language, the R is silent in the letter R sound is silent here. But always remember that if a vowel sound follows directly at the beginning of the next word, as in far away, otherwise the R is omitted. Let me show you a video, you can have a very good idea of it then. Now dear student, you have watched the video, now you have a very good idea of the sound of R and omitted R in these sentences. Now look at this one, vowels and diphthongs. Here you can see the phonetic symbols of the words. C, here's the symbol is SI, happy. A plus E, the vowel sound here. Sit, tan, cat, father, the R is silent here. Got, in British English we pronounce it like this, got, saw, put, echo, to, cup, for, about, say, go, in American English go, my, boy, now, near, the R is silent here in British, here, the R is silent again, peer, the R is silent again in this, in British English. Now look at the exercise here. What you need to do, give pronunciation of the following words with the help of pronunciation key in your dictionary and find this word, the pronunciation of these words here in dictionary. What you need to do, you have to open your dictionary and find the pronunciation of these words with the pronunciation key. You can also take the help from your chart also, which is given in your textbook on page number 21. Now look at here. Locate synonyms of the following words in the children's thesaurus and use the words below in sentences of your own. We have discussed about the synonyms. What are the synonyms? Synonyms are the words which have the same meanings. Nearly or mostly have the same meaning. Thesaurus means dictionary here. So what you need to do, you have to find the words that have the same meaning as these words and write it in your notebook. And also make sentences of it. You also have to use these words in your own sentences, meaningful sentences. Dear student, this is your homework from summer pack. This is also, dear student, this is the page from your unit number 2, page number 70. I want you to find some of the pronunciation from the British pronunciation. I want you to find some words from this page. The diphthongs, the vowel sounds, the consonant sounds, in which the letter R is silent here. This is also your home task from your textbook. I hope you can do it very easily. Dear student, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.